Mastering Idioms, Unraveling Made a Killing. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, made a killing. This idiom is commonly used in English, and understanding it can really add flavor to your language skills. So, let's get started and explore what it means and how to use it effectively. Made a killing is an idiom that means to earn a lot of money, usually in a short amount of time and often with little effort. It's important to note that this phrase is metaphorical and has nothing to do with actual harm. For example, if someone says, "She made a killing in the stock market last week," it means she earned a significant profit, not that she did anything harmful. The phrase, made a killing, originates from the idea of achieving a big win or success. Historically, it may be linked to hunting or gaming scenarios where a big kill meant a substantial reward. Over time, this concept transitioned into the financial and business world to denote significant monetary gains. Now, let's see how to incorporate this phrase into everyday conversation. 1. In business, after selling his startup, he made a killing and retired early. 2. In investments, I heard she made a killing in real estate during the market boom. 3. Casually, he made a killing at the casino last night and treated everyone to dinner. Remember, context is key. This phrase is often used in informal settings and may not be suitable for very formal or serious discussions. When using made a killing, be cautious not to take it literally. It's a metaphorical phrase. Use it in sensitive contexts. Avoid it in situations involving actual loss or harm. Confuse it with earning a regular income. It specifically implies a substantial, often unexpected, financial gain. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, made a killing, confidently in your English conversations. Remember, idioms like this can really enrich your language skills and make you sound more like a native speaker. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson.